EST. The Terran 1 rocket took off from Launch Complex 16 at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida to begin a test mission that was given the name Good Luck, Have Fun, GLHF. The first performance of Terran 1 was satisfactory. For instance, it was able to endure Max Q, the portion of flight during which a rocket experiences the maximum structural stresses, and both its first and second stages were able to effectively separate from one another. In fact, the first part of the Terran 1's first flight on Wednesday night seemed to go as planned. No problems were reported until almost 3 minutes after liftoff, when the second stage was supposed to start up. To drive the rocket to orbital velocity, which is around 17,000 miles per hour, the upper stage's Aeon engine was scheduled to fire for a burn that would last for 5 minutes. Still, a camera on the second stage showed that the engine was putting out random flames, even though it didn't look like it was working at full power.